First, a definition of scientism. You can define it in a few different ways. It's the idea that only science can get at truths of anything. A way of saying it is any claim that is true is something that can be proven to be true by our senses, our gathered data, or the techniques of science. And that would be the same for a false claim. Anything that's false could be shown to be false by those methods. Another way of saying this is with a conditional. If something cannot be empirically verified, then there's no truth of the matter. It's merely a matter of opinion. And there are two major flaws with scientism. One is that it's self-refuting. Consider the claim itself. Let's put it this way. Any claim that is true can be proven to be true by our senses or gathered data or science. Can that claim itself be proven true by one of those methods? And the answer is clearly no, it cannot. What science would investigate such a claim? That is a philosophical claim. And so on its own merits, it isn't true. So that's a problem, it's self-refuting. A second flaw here is that there are a lot of claims that are true that can't be verified by science. Mathematical claims are such. Math is not a science, so it's outside of the realm of science. Things like all squares have four sides. It's not empirically verified to show that that's true. A sentence like, Socrates is human and all humans are mortal, therefore Socrates is mortal. That's not something that is in the purview of science. It's a claim of logic, really, when you get down to it. Or the most fundamental principle of reasoning. No claim can be true and false at the same time when the words have the same meaning. Now, you can't prove that by science, but you can't reason without using that principle at all. And so the second flaw is there are all kinds of truths, very important truths, in fact, that aren't under the purview of science. And the problem is that we have so many people assuming something like scientism is true when it's not, and that kind of undermines the opportunity for them to learn and think carefully about many other important things.